Okay, welcome to students. Today I will teach you guarantee of profit. Guarantee of profit. This I will teach you guarantee of profit in partnership account. Okay, so this is question number 56. Guarantee of profit. So what is the meaning of guarantee of profit? Means when the one partner or all the partners give guarantee to the partner that if the minimum share is less than the profit sharing ratio, then guarantee partner will pay the money. Okay, so in this question there are three partners, Meeta, Rita and Sandra. They are sharing profit in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so in this question Meeta, this partner is giving guarantee to Sandra. This partner is giving guarantee to Sandra that if the Sandra profit is less than 10,000 rupees, Meeta will pay the money to Sandra. See, I have written here, Meeta is giving guarantee to Sandra. If Sandra share is less than 10,000, Meeta will pay deficiency. Okay, so in the guarantee, in this question, you have to do that. First, you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, and then profit will be shared in the partner according to the instruction given in the question. Okay, now see, in this question, already you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, and you have to share the profit. See, profit and loss account, you have already given profit and loss 40,000 right here, 40,000 on credit side. Okay, this is debit side, this is credit side, this is debit side. Okay, so first profit and loss account 40,000 rupees. Next, interest on capital. Interest on capital is easy. I already told you how interest is calculated. So Meeta will get, Meeta interest on capital is 4,000, Rita interest on capital is 2,500, Sandra 1,500. Okay, this is the interest on capital. Total interest on capital will be 8,000. Take a 4,000, 2,500 and 1,500. Okay, now see, next, drawing. So in this question, only two partners are making the drawing. Two partners means Meeta and Sandra are making the drawing. Okay, so but drawing are date is not given, or in first Meeta drawing. In the Meeta drawing, he withdraw 4,000, but here date is given. Here date is given 1st April. So interest will be calculated for whole year. 4,000 into how much rate of interest? 4%. So interest on drawing will be 160. But Sandra in the question, he withdraws 5,000, but there is no date. There is no date. 5,000 during the year, but no date is given. So interest will be calculated for 6 months. 5,000 into 4 upon 100, 4% into 6 upon 12. You will get 100 rupees. Okay, so in this question, Meeta and Sandra, interest on drawing, Meeta, interest on drawing is 160 rupees. Sandra is 100 rupees. So all of you know that interest on drawing come on the credit side. It is the income for partnership firm. Okay, so by interest on drawing 160 and 100, you will get 260. Okay, this is interest on drawing. Now you have to distribute profit in according to the instruction. So see, first one, make the total of this 40,260 40,260. You will get the profit of 32,260. This 32,260. So then it will be distributed in the ratio 2:1. But Mita is giving the guarantee to Sandra that if his share is less than the 10,000 rupees, Mita will pay the money. Okay? कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर सैंड्रा का शेयर 10,000 से कम आता है, अगर सैंड्रा का शेयर 10,000 से कम आता है, तो मीता विल पे द मनी टू सैंड्रा. ओके, तो सी फर्स्ट यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रॉफिट. तो आपको यहां पर मैंने प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लिखा हुआ, उनका जो रेशियो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रेशियो दिस प्रॉफिट इज कमिंग 12904, 12904 और 6452. बट मीता को कितना देना है मिनिमम? हाउ मच शेयर इज गिवन? 10,000 रुपीज. सो दिस 10,000 रुपीज को 10,000 रुपीज पे करना है मीता को मिनिमम. तो रीता का शेयर तो यही रहेगा 12904, मतलब 12,904. बट जो इसका शेयर 10,000 करने के लिए मीता विल पे 3,548 to 3,548 rupees to the सैंड्रा. तब इसका शेयर कितना आएगा? 10,000 रुपीज. और इसका शेयर आ जाएगा 9,356 रुपीज. तो जो मीता है, मीता इसने अपने शेयर में से 3,548 रुपीज इसको पे किए हैं सैंड्रा को. रीता बिकॉज मीता इज गिवन द गारंटी टू सैंड्रा, तो 12,904 माइनस 3,548 9,356. रीता शेयर वही है 12,904. सैंड्रा शेयर 6,452 प्लस 3,548. इट मींस इसका शेयर कितना हो गया? 10,000 रुपीज. तो इन तीनों को प्रोडक्ट कर लो, यू विल गेट 32,260 रुपीज. तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन मीता इज गिविंग गारंटी टू सैंड्रा, ओके, कि दैट द मनी विच कम शॉर्टफॉल मीता विल पे द मनी. जो भी शॉर्टफॉल आएगा सैंड्रा के शेयर में, उसको कौन पे करेगा? उसको मीता पे करेगी. ओके, तो डू दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, थैंक यू.